Hello, guys. I miss you so much. It's me, Charisma, of course. Anyway, so it's been my 3 weeks here in Saudi. It's been very nice, very chill. No alcohol, zero. But it was really great because I got a chance to stay with my husband, and it's nice to just to be with him. It's already really great. And some of you asked me to make a little tour about the house in here, so I'm gonna give you a little tour. It's not a big house, but it's my palace. It's enough for us, and me and Alberto basically a very minimalist person, so we don't need a lot of stuff. I'll see you anyway. So let's start with the living room. That's the door to enter, and directly we will arrive in the living room. And a TV facilitated with the Apple TV, so I watch a lot of Netflix and YouTube. And that's collection of our shoes. Basically, I only have one shoes, Alberto also, and then shoes for the inside the house and slippers to be outside. And some cables, very messy, but it's always has to be there because it's like a basic things we're gonna use every single day. And a little decoration here, our 3D pictures, my little bit DIY of our picture in Taj Mahal, my first gift for Christmas from Mama and Aita. And this painting is basically coming from the apartment together with all the utensils. And move a little bit here, you will arrive into the kitchen. The kitchen is very small. Instead of our fridge, almost empty because I always limit ourselves to only have a week stocks. Yeah. So the food processor, honey, water, and salt and everything. Microwave here. They said it also can be an oven, but I still didn't figure it out how to use it. And some Indonesian seasoning stuff, of course, because I'm Indonesian. And this is a very special thing from this kitchen, which is the kangen water. We use a lot of kangen water, of course, for drinking and for cooking, of course, but also for my facial. I basically stopped using anything except sunblock because I don't know how to make my own sunblock. So I basically just use the strong acid and beauty water. That's whatever I use. I had a problem because of I was having difficulty to get used with the water in Saudi, so it's like all small dots all over my face. But then I'm so happy as per this morning, I don't really feel it so much. It's actually almost gone. I just simply use beauty water and then put strong acid, leave it dry, and then I put again the beauty water and then I leave it dry and then I will go to sleep. Let's move. That's the living room, the little kitchen, and now we arrive in our shower room. In our showroom, we have sink, and yeah, the water closet and this little shower room I put there because I've just finished cleaning. So basically, we only have mop and broom, which is more than enough. And this is the favorite part of the house because I always want to have a mirror that can show the entire body of mine. Anyway, let's move to our room, our bathroom. I always make sure I always have the water every time. A little decorations of the picture of my family in Bilbao and my friends in Doha. I miss them so much. As the wardrobe look like. Again, I'm gonna say it again that we are very minimalist, so we don't have a lot of stuff. That's basically all clothes I have. This is all the top, that's the bottom, that's the underwear, that's the all in, like a dress, jumpsuit, and that's Alberto's top, and that's all Alberto bottom, which is like trousers, one shorts to go to the gym, and this is where we dry our clothes. And that's the dry clothes that we don't want to have a wrinkle on it, so we just put it here. Let's move to the table. Has very empty table, but it's enough. Alberto has the perfume and the deodorant. I basically only use this almost every day. I only take stuff from this one, and this one is when I have the client. I have a little cotton, and that is my water. I have the strong Kangen water 11.5 here, 2.5 strong acid, and beauty water 6 pH, and my sunblock. That's basically it. That's my house. It's amazing. I like it here because I don't have to clean so much, and I miss you guys. I hope that I can come back to Indonesia like for a short vacation, and I'll see you again. I miss you.